Congratulations, Bombo Radyo Philippines! Once again, Bombo Radyo Philippines proves its excellence in the 47th Catholic Mass Media Awards, bringing home 3 major awards. Bombo Network News, back-to-back winner bilang Best News Program.
Bombo Special Report bilang Best Business News.
Pinoy Memories ng Star FM Iloilo bilang Best Entertainment Program.
And 2 special citations. Bombo Lifestyle ng Bombo Radyo Philippines bilang Best Public Service Program.
At Istoryang Pasada, Takbo ng Star FM Manila bilang Best Counseling Program.
At hindi lang yan, Bombo Radyo Philippines made history as it qualified in all 9 categories. A solid proof of our unmatched excellence in news, public affairs, and entertainment.
Maraming salamat sa aming mga loyal listeners and viewers. Kayo ang tunay na inspirasyon namin.
Radyo Bombo
Star FM, it's all for you.